What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Raina, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm getting straight into it. I'm showing y'all how to get this very festive going out makeup look. As you saw, like I usually do, I'm going in with the Plouise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumor 3, and I'm going in with the CharlesxMorphe eyeshadow palette, and it's the Artistry palette, and I'm going in with the yellow shade first, and I'm going in all in my crease. And now I didn't show the shade, but I am putting an orange like right in the front socket of my eye, and then I blend it out with the yellow. Now I'm using this darker blue from a Juvias palette. Everything will be in the description box below. Now I'm using this green. I'm going back to the Charles palette, and I'm blending out that blue with that color. Now I'm cutting my crease, and I'm kind of doing like a different shape. I don't even know what to call it. It's kind of like, I don't even know what to call it, but I'm doing a different shape. And to top it off, I'm using this nude shade from the Juvias palette. Juvias palette. I don't know why it's so weird for me to say that right now. I don't know. Now I'm priming. I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. For foundation, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. And since it's getting colder, I can use it solely by itself now. Like, isn't that weird? Like in the summertime, like I am too dark for this shade. Now it's kind of like it's too dark for me. Like, I don't know. It's weird. Skin tones are weird. Okay, now I'm color correcting. I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the orange corrector. And I do blend it out and set it lightly with some translucent powder. For concealer, I am going in with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating. This is not a hydrating concealer. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 390. Now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Truffle to contour my face. To set my highlighted areas, I'm using the Merceir translucent setting powder. And to bronze and give my face back life, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, the Powder Contour Kit in Tan to Deep.
So
I did get a little messy with the contour and the bronzing, so I did a little bit of cleaning up. Here I'm doing my lower lash line, and all I do is repeat my crease on my lower lash line. So I just blend out the green, very blown out, and then I add the darker blue and then blend that out, and then that's that. And now I'm blending off the excess translucent powder. I'm going in with a brown lip liner. What else do I use? Nothing else. So I'm using a brown lip liner, and I'm going in with a dose of colors, more creamer please lipstick, because that's what I like and that's what I want to use. Next, I'm topping it off with some lip gloss. It's the Atole lip gloss by Colourpop. Next, I am applying my lashes. It's the Mykonos lashes by Lilly Lashes. I did want to come on here and say, like, my application of my lashes was definitely a little off, but I still look cute. But that's just all I had to say. Like, I do notice that it's a little off. Now I'm going in with highlighter. I'm going in with a throwback. It's the Old Darling highlighter, and yeah, just look at it do its thing. But that is the end of the video, guys. Thanks y'all so much for watching, especially if you made it to the end, if you made it this far. Can you please follow me on my social media? That will be nice. And if you can like and subscribe to my channel, I would like that too. Alright y'all, see y'all on my next video. Bye.